I can do what I want. I'm a grown woman.
Hello guys! I feel so lost without vlogging. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I mean, I was just doing the same thing. I like filmed 2 to 3 videos and that was pretty much my day. I actually still need to do my morning pages and my scripting and meditate. I went a few days without scripting and I just started feeling basically like less motivated and a lot more fearful, like, oh, what if my dreams don't come true? But when I script, I just feel very ambitious and hopeful. So now I want to make it a priority that I do those 3 things regardless of how much time I have. I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to be journaling right now. But I'm also thinking if I want McDonald's iced coffee. I already had it yesterday. Look at this mess. Busted out my umbrella lights because I'm amping up my video quality. Got this umbrella light. This drink was from yesterday because I don't believe in trash cans. Just kidding. My makeup is right here. Maybe that's why I feel scatterbrained. I need to clean all this up. I have so many chapsticks in here. I have this one. It's an all-natural lip balm. Vegan. This is a tinted lip balm. This one's a good one. This sweet potato is from Irvine Mitsuya, and this sweet potato is so freaking good. That doesn't make any sense.
Oh, whoa. Someone's crazy.
And then how are you gonna just come back and act like you weren't just crazy back there? Craving 1, satisfied. Well, about to be satisfied. I was blocking his view.
Why is he crying now?
Maybe he saw another dog. Benji, you cray.
Especially if it's a big dog, he gets crazy.
I know.
If it's a small dog, he's not crazy.
He looks so serious right now. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna eat my chips now. So I was craving this, and so I'm going to be making it. It is a very difficult recipe to make. We're gonna start off with some bread. This recipe is a bit technical, if you will. This recipe originates from Europe, and it was created in the 1700s.
Oh, stop farting.
I can do what I want. I'm a grown woman.
Can you believe that this freaking tomato was $2? And apparently this is a pound because it said $2 per pound. $422.19. We can't use that anymore. This is a really good deal here for this meat. I forgot the original price, but it was on sale. 2 for $7. But look at what you get with it. You get this really neat container. Like, this looks like a legit container that you would buy at the store. And I've got this fancy Kerrygold cheddar cheese. I wasn't sure which cheddar to get. They had savory cheddar and like sharp cheddar. I don't remember, so savory just sounded better. Now we have all of our ingredients and we are going to prepare this. Like I said, it's pretty difficult to make, but you know, I just really wanted this. So this is basically the same mayo they put on your sushi rolls. So and there we go. This is what I have been craving.
So how many calories is this?
Mmm. Oh, I'm just gonna dance.
How do I actually find that? I use TubeBuddy to find these relevant tags so that the YouTube algorithm is going to know what my video is about.